What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to play Backseat by Pop Smoke, and we have just two parts to learn. One is this main riff, another is the open chords and all. So let's dive into the song. So just have a look at the four chords firstly, and then I'm just going to show you the riff. It's actually a lot easy to play. So we start off with a G major chord, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. The next chord we have is a D major, which is mute, mute, 0, 2, 3, 2. Then we have an E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And at last we have C major, which is mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. That's it for the chords. Now let's just hop into this small riff we have. The chord progression is a G, then a D, then an E minor, and then a C. I'm just gonna break down the rhythm more for you guys after finishing showing you the riff. But before that, just have a look at the riff. The chord progression, so the riff are based on the chords. The G chord over here, then we have a B chord over here, then you have E minor, are based on bar chords, but we're just gonna play some of the notes on the bar chords for the riff. Now see, I'm using my thumb to play the E string, A string, or maybe the D string. Wherever the bass notes are actually located, I'm using my G string for the I'm using my index finger for the G string, a middle finger for the B string, and for this song we don't have the high string. So let's dive into it. So we have a look at the chart. We have 10 on the A and 12 on the B and the G. What we do is we plug all the three together, then we plug the 12 on the E and B, or 12 on the B and G together, so we got, and we just keep our hand on the string to get the entire sound of the chord muted, so we got. So this was basically a G, so yeah. And then move on to the D. So we have 12 on the D, 11 on the G, and 10 on the B. We play the 12 on the D string and we rest, or we just do one small slap. It's like just keeping your hand on the string. So you got, you get to just play that and keep your hand. And after that you plug all the three together, the D, G and the B. So you got rest, and then you move on to the E minor chord shape, which is over here. It's a 7th fret on the A string, 8th fret on the B string, and G string, 9th fret. We actually repeat the pattern which we did for the G major chord over here. So we are playing all three, the A, the G and the B together, plug them together, and after that you again play the B and the G, and then you keep your hand on the string. So we got, it's like da da, 1 and 2 and. So you got 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And after that we just play, we actually move on to C major chord. We just play 8th fret on the E string, D string 10th fret, and G string 9th fret. We just plug all this together once, and that's it. From the beginning, let's play the E minors. So from the beginning right now. Nice and easy. And that goes on for the whole song. Now you can actually make it super easy, although it's a lot easy. You can just remove the octaves which you are playing. Now for except to see all the chords you just played right now, you can just lift off your G string. You can just play the A string and the B string. So you don't need to play the G string if you find this a bit hard. So you can play. And then you move on to the E minor chord. You play the A and the B. You don't have to play the G string if you find this bit hard. And for the C major chord over here, which is just a shape up, we are not playing the D string because it's a bit up. So you got, sorry, that's nice and easy. Now let's focus on the chords and all. Now we have the chord progression again. I'm telling you, G, then a D, then an E minor, then a C. We just play right now, so you can even play it like this. Now basically the strumming pattern, if you just want to strum the chords, it will be a down, up, mute on the G major chord. So if you just have a look at my right hand or glance, it will just get you also a strumming pattern. Actually doing a down, up. So on the G, I do a down, up, mute. On the D, I do a down. And then on the E minor and the C, I repeat the exact same pattern. So you go down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down. So you go down, up, mute, down, up, mute. Sorry, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, 2, 3, 4. And that's almost everything for this lesson you need. So it's up to you all. Make sure to drop in one of these, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible, likely by this month. I know it's actually likely impossible, but you guys can make it possible. So that's it, and I'll see you guys back in the next video, maybe today. Bye.